So once again, Moo has just climbed right up, made himself at home, curled right up, and wanted his snugs. And he wanted his kisses. Ain't that right, little Moo? It's my little dude. I love it when he does this. He just climbs up. Doesn't take no for an answer. Curls up. Falls asleep. Comfy as a clam. He's like, kiss, kiss, kiss. Yep. Fast asleep. Little needy paws. Little needy paws. Yeah. Loving the little beans. Loving the little face. He's starting to look grown up. Yes, you're starting to look grown up, my Momo. Did you know that? Hello, Stacia. Are you coming to say hello? You coming to be part of the show, my babies? Come on, little fatness. She doesn't want to be part of the show. She wants to come watch the whatever I'm watching. She loves to watch the screen, so. Okay, little boys. You're just ever so perfect. Yes, you are. Stacia, you want to come do some snuggies? Are you into snuggies, or would you rather just watch the screen? I think she is declining to acquiesce to my request.